folks, today we're here in Daytona Beach, Florida. And we're here for Jeep Beach. Dawn, are you ready? It's a beautiful day here in Florida. The sun is out, it's shiny. I think we're gonna take the Jeep on the beach today. You know, do a little four-wheeling. Is Dawn, you see that smile? Because she knows she's gonna take the Jeep four-wheeling today. That's what that is.
You want to talk about underprivileged people? Me.
Our stay last night at the Chateau Mar was perfect. The bed was super comfy. The only problem with this hotel is if someone is sitting here smoking marijuana, it sucks in the air and puts that smoke into your room. So if your neighbors are smoking weed, you're getting high too. So our neighbors were getting high last night.
It's stupid.
None of it's true.
None of it's true. None of it's true. It's BS. They made it up. They lie.
And so were we.
Yeah. It was horrible. It comes through our bathroom vent.
I don't know if it's legal here in Florida, but there's the other Jeep.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
You ready to go on an adventure today? Mm-hmm. You want to go hit the dunes? Yeah? Is that what it sounds like? Different than the one at home.
Yeah.
We got a basic wash. We just wanted to get the pelican poop off the windshield. Very nice place. Doesn't look much from the road, but famous breakfast. Here I got a big piece of toast, 2 eggs sunny side up, and there's Dawn's breakfast.
Over easy. I got bacon, blueberry pancakes. I think it does look like a pancake. Strawberries and blueberries on a pancake is good. It's mixed in the batter.
I have an IQ of 48 and am what some people call mentally retarded.
Even the sausage is not store-bought. What'd you think of breakfast?
It was good.
It was. That was actually, it impressed me. I'm impressed with the beef. Mm-hmm. You know, I'm impressed with the beef. The world's most famous beach. They even got Broncos out here.
The beach.
And Dawn's driving.
Buckle up, Buckaroo!
Don't go too fast, 10 miles an hour.
Say thanks. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, got your
First duck.
duck on the beach. He's a panda duck. Haven't got stuck yet, have we?
No. We're just going slow. Like 5 miles an hour.
I think on the other end they have like a soft area, which
Yeah.
a little more challenging. So I think we're gonna have lunch at Krabby Joe's. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's called Grimace.
It's a grimace shake.
I want you to listen to them very, very carefully.
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop it?
Yes, S-T-O-P, new word, I-T.
Now, welcome to Krabby Joe's. So Dawn's gonna get the fish and chips, and I'm gonna get the fish tacos. And so my fish tacos are here.
Tacos here. Oh, are those tacos? You better believe they're tacos. I love tacos, especially on a corn tortilla.
Looks really, really delicious. And look at the size of Dawn's fish and chips.
That's a lot of food.
That's crazy. And I think you got some french fries under there, right?
Yeah.
I knew it was that big. We could have probably shared a... Spicy.
Do it! Just do it!
It was okay.
Yeah, you had a lot of fish. In fact, you're taking...
Yeah, that's too much.
Yeah. He's like, I should have got the fish tacos. Dawn got quite the collection of ducks. And
You sure about that?
that's a Donald Trump.
Looks like he's giving a thumbs up or something.
To be honest with you, I'm kind of retarded.
There's a sign back there that says, if you got them, toss them. Duck there is holding his hands up. He's like, I don't know. And the little yellow Jeep has made it to the beach.
Wow, the land of make-believe.
You gonna give it some leg? You gonna give some leg? Alright.
My eyes. I've gone blind.
We better get a four-wheel drive in the world that's gonna get you out of that mess.
Buckle up, Buckaroo!
What is that? Is that Jeepzilla?
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, yes. Good stuff. Thank you. So Monster is out here and they're giving away monsters. Time for the pool. Can't go out too far because it is a red flag.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you can't go out too far.
Look at my hair.
Dawn's got beach hair.
Hi, everyone.
Bye, everybody.